Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to screen record on a Realme phone using an easy method. So let's get started. First, find and open what you want to record, depending on whether it's a game, settings, or anything else. Then swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Here in the Quick Shortcuts, find and tap on Screen Recording. If you are using it for the first time, it may ask you for permissions like audio recording or other access. Just allow everything to start using screen recording. Then the screen recording settings will appear. Here you can choose whether to record system sound, microphone sound, or record without sound. Once you select your option, tap on screen recording. A short countdown will begin, and the recording will start. You will see an indicator on your screen showing that recording is active. Now everything on your screen will be recorded. When you are done, tap the stop button or tap the recording indicator and select stop. Your screen recording will be saved automatically in your gallery. And that's it. You have successfully recorded your screen on a Realme phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.